is, see how we've got the ferns here again, the lace fern. I would actually clump some lace fern down here, around that grip, around that sword, because if we clap that around there, what does it look like? You got the ferns and the the shame.
And would you fill more behind?
Yeah, look, what I do, if you look at that gap behind, notice how I've already lifted up see that angle that it's on at the moment? So the front hose is on, so the whole angle's like that. Whereas that's where I want, and then I'd actually stop that up again. I turn off the pump, I turn off the pump, and I fill it up, because what happens is if any sand falls back, over the back, it'll therefore fall forward. Every direction it'll fall forward into that defeat. And that's how come my systems work on my stage of farm, because they've only got one defeat system. Whereas you've got
creating a deuce.
it's not like you. You don't shake your hand. That's like so, yeah, but that's about it. What do you think, guys?
Beautiful. I love it.
So, yeah. Do you want to turn off that pump until we get these other ones coming as well, which will be a lot powerful than that? Yeah, but that's a lot more powerful than that.
I can get a more powerful pump on now if you want.
Yeah.
No, I'd rather wait for the other one. It's a better pump. It's Aquael.
That's right.
And another good trick whenever you're doing some touch-ups, just use your hands to brush away your rocks. So see how I put the sand on here? You don't see it. It's just disappeared. And then we'll just do that after. We'll lay them down. What do you think? Nice?
Look around the front.
Put the lights on again?
Pardon?
We put the lights on again?
Yeah, wait a minute. We'll put these plants up here just to make it look a bit better.
See you from the front. Oh wow, sorry. That's gonna smack your rib.
And the whole idea with this, with that water, that airflow and the sand, see how it disguises it?
Yeah.
You can't see it from that side. And look at the front. Well, have a look at that, guys. I'm just going to wait for the air pump.
That's super clever.
What you got, man? Hey, man, I'll meet you anytime you need anything. More than happy to help you. My pleasure, man. Have a good one.
So is the sand sleeping in the waterfall?
Yes.
So do you want it?